Welcome to This Just In, a weekly news show highlighting the people and events in Newport News Public Schools, where artistic expression continues to enrich lives while breaking barriers of social distancing. On March 13, 2020, Hilton Elementary's fifth graders were putting the final touches on their artwork to be showcased in Hilton's art show, celebrating 100 years of educational excellence. But the art show would have to wait, since this was the day when schools across the Commonwealth were closed and students and teachers sent home to an uncertain future. But Hilton's art teacher, Krista Mindler, decided the show must go on. While working from home, Krista took photos of every piece of artwork created by the students at Hilton, and then touched them up digitally to ensure a perfect rendering. Instead of simply posting all of the artwork online in a slideshow format, Krista wanted Hilton students to enjoy an interactive experience and allow them to still tour their artwork in a gallery. So, she designed and created 6 virtual art galleries, one for each grade level, allowing students and families to experience the artwork in a digital setting. After students put in hours of work creating their masterpieces, they were now able to enjoy touring the virtual landscape in search of their own artwork on display for all to see. Jerron Ransom, supervisor with Youth Development, collected video recordings of some of our musical administrators and showcased their talents on social media.
Here all the time. You are my friend.
Goodbye, Marconia. Goodbye, Marconia. Goodbye, Marconia.
The talented students at Washington Middle School aren't letting a global pandemic squelch their artistic expressions. Students enrolled in Washington's Marine Science and Pre-Advanced Placement Magnet School are utilizing themes of conservation and recycling to receive recognition for their art skills. Art teacher Heather Schnell challenged her students to recreate some of the most iconic works of art with a reusable and rather unique art medium, laundry. Schnell found inspiration for the laundry art project from fellow art teacher Karina Dewey at Warwick High School. Students first toured world-class art museums virtually and conducted research on the famous artists and recognizable paintings they selected. Then, they arranged their clothes, old t-shirts, sweatshirts, and other apparel to mimic the famous paintings. Students were graded on originality, creativity, and similarities between their garment creation and the artist's original masterpiece. Washington students were also recognized across the Commonwealth for transforming their conservation efforts into award-winning visuals. Drawing on their school's marine science theme, many Washington students entered the James River Association's 10th annual poster contest. This year's theme, "What a Healthy River Means to Me," allowed Washington students to use their own extensive excursions, learning and touring along the James River watershed. And the experiences paid off. With over 100 art submissions, 4 of the top 10 winners were from Washington Middle School, including the grand prize winner, 7th grader Jaslyn Jones. Jaslyn's artistic creation earned her a prize of $125, along with a matching amount for her school's art program. 3 other Washington students received honorable mention as they visualized their meaningful contributions to improving the James River in significant ways. Education in the arts continues to be a source of inspiration and growth for students in Newport News Public Schools.
Newport News Public Schools provides outstanding visual and performing arts programs for all students. For 5 consecutive years, NNPS has been recognized by the National Association of Music Merchants as one of the best communities for music education in the country. And every year, visual arts students receive recognition and numerous awards for their creative works of art. Through the collective efforts of educators, parents, and community partners, students in Newport News receive crucial developmental skills through a diverse art curriculum. Improved self-discipline, communication, collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity skills are all associated with art education. Furthermore, students who engage in long-term study of the arts score higher on standardized tests and demonstrate greater achievement levels in math, science, and language studies. In pre-kindergarten and elementary classes, students are encouraged to explore self-expression through the arts while learning techniques and developing arts literacy. Students collaborate to create their own school productions and explore music at a higher level with the Virginia Symphony at the Ferguson Center for the Arts. In our middle and high schools, students participate in a variety of advanced visual arts classes, including traditional media, digital, and virtual. In the performing arts, students learn theater, stagecraft, and dance, while music departments offer band, orchestra, chorus, and guitar instruction. Students across grade levels showcase their talents through marching band performances, community concerts, seasonal themed recitals, show choir escapades, and collaborative pyramid concerts, all while receiving numerous superior ratings at state assessments. With support from community partners and local art institutes, students in Newport News have access to unique learning opportunities only found in Hampton Roads. For decades now, Summer Institute for the Arts has offered students an intensive 6-week summer program in music, visual arts, drama, or dance. Summer Institute is the state's only school-based summer arts program that offers students an honors-weighted high school elective credit. By fully realizing the importance of art education in developing our youth, educators in Newport News Public Schools effectively harness the power of art so students may reach their fullest potential.
The Connected at Home website is a valuable resource to ensure every student can participate in virtual learning effectively. Connected at Home can be accessed directly from the NNPS website to offer at-home support. If students are having issues with their Chromebook or trouble accessing the Canvas Learning Management System, contact information is available for tech support, as well as locations where families can receive in-person technical assistance. Connected at Home also offers additional resources, online tools, and a helpful map of public Wi-Fi hotspots so all students can connect, engage, and succeed through virtual learning. If you're interested in magnet and specialty programs for elementary, middle, or high school students, Newport News Public Schools has programs focusing on a variety of areas, such as environmental science, communication and performing arts, aviation, global studies, as well as science, technology, engineering, and math. You can find out more about the Magnet programs and any upcoming virtual open houses by visiting the Magnet and Specialty Programs webpage at nnschools.org. All of the open houses will be virtual and take place from December 1st through December 15th. Online applications are now available, and the deadline for applying to a Magnet or Specialty program is January 8th. Thanks for joining us for this week's edition of This Just In. And check out more fun and informative videos at nnpstv.com to see the many great things happening in Newport News Public Schools. Thanks for watching.